Hi, my name is Dan Herlock. I'm retired fire chief from the City of Downey Fire Department, and I've recently been hired by the Downey Unified School District to join the team as the Fire Science Pathway, CTE Pathway instructor. In the class, we're preparing students for careers in the fire service.
The reason why I chose fire science as a pathway is because I actually see myself going into the firefighter business.
Today we did a circuit, and basically what we do is we do the fire hose, we do the fire drags, we do pull-ups, push-ups, we hit the tire, we do a jog, and basically, yeah, that's what we do every Monday.
This is kind of what I wanted to do since I was a little kid. I've always wanted to be a firefighter. So this is kind of pushing me towards that path. And it actually gives us college credit towards Rio Hondo for their fire tech program over there.
This CTE class helps you for the future, and if you really like this aspect of the class and become a firefighter, and you also get college credit.